Hey there, welcome back to another informative video. So this video is about how you can change your birth date on your Roblox account easily and that too free of cost. So let me show you how you can do this, but before that make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos on this channel. So let me show you how you can change your birth date on your Roblox account. So here I am on my Roblox application. Now click on three dot option which will appear at the bottom. Now here just scroll down and click on settings option. So after that you will see different types of option here. So now here click on account info option. So that's the first option. So click on account info and open that setting. Now here under personal information you can see a birth date option. Now here you can click on any of your date or a month and choose your birth date according to your liking and according to your wish. So choose the birth date and click on OK. Now after that Roblox will send a OTP, that is one time password, on your email which is linked to your account. So get that OTP and put it here and click on OK, and that's how you can easily change your birth date on your Roblox account. And I hope this video was helpful for you. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.